Today let's quickly break down two key concepts for circles: circumference and area. First up, circumference. This is just the perimeter or the distance around the edge of the circle. To find the circumference, use this formula. Circumference equals 2πr, where r is the radius, the distance from the center to the edge, and pi is approximately 3.14. So, if you have a circle with a radius of 5 centimeters, the circumference would be 2 times 3.14 times 5 equals 31.4 centimeters. It's like measuring the boundary of your circle. Now let's talk about area, which tells us how much space is inside the circle. To find the area, we use area equals pi r squared. So, if the same circle has a radius of 5 centimeters, the area would be 3.14 times 5 squared equals 3.14 times 25 equals 78.5 square centimeters. And that's it. Remember, circumference is all about the edge, and area is the space inside. So next time you see a circle, you'll know exactly how to measure both. Keep practicing, and see you in the next one.